Hey, good morning everybody, it's Bill with Spring Pressure Washing. We are at a paver sealing job today. Let me walk you around and show you what we got. Alright, so we got a 2-car driveway. Leads up to here. These stones look pretty good, but they're ready to be sealed. Starting to show some wear. And then up to the front area, the front porch. There's a couple of rust marks here too. We're gonna see if we can either get them out or lighten them back up. More than likely they're iron in the concrete in the paver sometimes leaches back up out of there, where it could be something that is actually laying on top of the pavers at some point. Let me walk you around the back and show you what that looks like. Okay, and then we have a walkway coming along the back of the house here. This little area along here. Down here and alright, so that's our project here this morning. We're going to get everything turbo nozzled and then do our 3-step cleaning process first and let that dry overnight. Come back in the morning and lay the sand and lay the sealer down. We're going to be using the Fieldstone sand and then the Trident Cat 5. We're going to do probably a D2 solution. I'll see what it looks like after it gets cleaned up. But all right, let's get moving. It's gonna be a hot one today. All right, so we got everything turbo nozzled out and we're getting ready to start our 3-step cleaning process. First up is the white water, treat for efflorescence, and then point break, and then we'll neutralize it with the wipeout. So I'll show you what it looks like right now. So we got all the sand, all that old sand and dirt, and the joints are all gone. So, all right, let's get busy. It's hot out here today. Okay, so we're all wrapped up here for today. We treated for our efflorescence. We used the point break to do the organic cleaning, and then we used the wipeout to do the neutralizing. So this is all set. We'll let this dry up overnight. We'll come back in the morning, we'll sand it and put the sealer down. All right, so we're back here at our paver sealing job here this morning. We got everything cleaned out yesterday. Did our 3-step cleaning process, treated for the efflow, did the organic cleaning, and then did neutralizing. So pavers are ready for sanding this morning and then also for sealing. So let me walk you around and show you what it looks like now. Definitely clean, prepped, and ready to go. All right, well, it's going to be another hot one today. Heat index is supposed to be over 100 again, so we're going to get busy here this morning before it gets too hot. All right, let's get moving. Hey, just another thing real quick. I get a lot of questions about why we do a 2-day process on our paver sealing. It's just a preference for us. We feel like we get a much better job if we take the first day and we do all of our prepping and cleaning and all, and then let it dry overnight, and then come back the next day to double check everything and then go ahead and do the sanding and lay the sealer down. That's just the way that we do it. We feel like we get a much better result from doing a 2-day, and then basically it's just a half a day's work, so we usually back that up with another job in the afternoon. So the bottom line is the results we feel are much better doing it this way. So all right, back to work. Okay, so we're all wrapped up here. 105 degree feels like temperature right now. Boy, it was a hot one. Let me walk you around and show you what the final results are. Gotta love that Cat 5. It's absolutely beautiful. All the coloring's back. And in the back here, walkway turned absolutely gorgeous. Yep. Beautiful. All right, well, that wraps up another paver sealing. Customer is absolutely ecstatic with the results. So, all right, this is Bill with Spring Pressure Washing. We will see you at the next job.